In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is a quick way to make PDFs easier on the eyes, especially in low light, and it can also improve readability if bright backgrounds are hard to look at. We'll use a built-in accessibility feature that simulates color inversion by showing white text on a black background. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. Once it's open, head to the top menu and click Edit. From there, choose Preferences. If you're on a Mac, Preferences may appear under the Acrobat Reader menu at the top left of your screen. Either way, we're aiming for the Preferences window where all the app's settings live. In the Preferences window, look to the left-hand panel and select Accessibility. This section is designed to help adjust how documents are displayed and navigated, making them more comfortable to read. Find the area labeled Document Colors Options. Here, check the box that says Replace Document Colors. This tells Acrobat Reader to override the original colors in the PDF with the settings you choose, just for viewing on your screen. Next, select Use High Contrast Colors. This ensures the display uses a clear, high-contrast scheme that's easy to read. When you enable this option, a drop-down will appear with different high-contrast combinations. From that drop-down, pick white text on black. This choice simulates color inversion by flipping the typical light background and dark text into a dark background with light text. It's especially helpful for reducing glare and eye strain while maintaining strong legibility. Keep in mind, this is a visual setting for your screen only. It doesn't change the actual PDF content, and it won't affect printing. Images may not invert perfectly in all cases, since they're rendered differently than text, but text and backgrounds will switch as expected. Once you've made the selection, simply close the Preferences window. Acrobat Reader applies the change immediately, so you can open any PDF and see the effect right away. If you switch between documents frequently, this setting will stay in place until you change it again, making it a consistent way to read more comfortably. That's all there is to it. By using the accessibility preferences and choosing white text on black under high contrast colors, you get a clean, inverted look that's easier on the eyes without altering the original document. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable reading experience in Adobe Acrobat Reader.